come into my house. There's a person there. Oh my God. These things do go in. I know. No, my foot is all the way down to the ground. I can feel it. Are you serious? Oh my God. I want to do it. This is a sticky situation. Isn't it scary? Wow! Scared me when it happened. Hey! Yeah, they do go in. Wait, put your foot in there again. No, my foot was stuck. Get out! It ate my foot. You can feel air coming out of there. Got it. Can't even find the hole. Woo! Yeah. That's what just happened to me. Oh, that's scary. Okay, go. Got it. I'm in your house. Ah! What? He's following us. Ah! Ah! No! Get off of me! Oh, what the heck? Dang! Oh, no! I'm falling and I can't get up. Hey, what's this? There's a hole right here. I can't get up. There's a hole right there. I want to know what those are. I don't want to know, actually. Okay. Oh. That's nice. I don't think I can get up with a camera. Hold. I don't think I can get up, period, here. Okay, come down this slide. I don't know. I don't think he's there anymore. Okay, go in. I'm not going to fall through this time. Hopefully not. Ah! Woo! Whoa, this is so squishy! Ah! Tunnel. Tunnel. Go back, go back. Okay, my boob is falling out. It kind of was. Okay, hold on. There's a person behind me. Ah! Ah! Oh! Okay, I'm stuck because I'm too big. Okay, I'm free. We're cheaters. Kendall! Oh my God! You're scared the crap out of me. Go! I can't, but like this stuff. I hope this time I refuse. Oh, there's a stalker kid in my house. Dude, wait. There we go. Okay, that's the one that goes down. That really is scary. Okay. Help me, I'm stuck. Okay. I'm really scared of this. Okay. I think it's landed. Get away! Kendall! Help me! Don't drop my phone. Okay, well, Kendall! My foot just went all the way